Zen. So today's vlog is unboxing something so special. What is that surprise? Oh, wow.
This is a big surprise.
Yeah.
Early Christmas.
Early Christmas gift. Oh, what is that?
Oh my God, there's another box.
Okay. So you have to open it, okay? The mahiwagang. Ayan.
Kahon.
Aba, ano kaya yan? Excited ako. Ayan. So there's another one.
Box in the box. Box within the box.
Ayan.
And another box.
Aba. Okay. Lapit na. Parang nag-open tayo ng ano Oh, that's it. Okay, let me show you what is this.
This is
What is
a fryer oven.
button?
And let me see. Parts. We will try this with our first lechon.
Yay! Because we're on a diet.
We're on low carb diet.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's very
It's heavy. Ay, Ate Mimi, it's so heavy.
heavy.
Yeah.
Duty.
It needs 3 people, Ate Mimi.
I need
Well, I need a...
this one.
Okay, that. Okay.
Aba, talaga? Oh, wow.
Wow.
Nice.
So we need to open. Oh my gosh.
So, my new air fryer.
Pasok sa mga...
Pasok sa banga.
Susha.
Ano ako, nag-invest ako.
How to open that?
Yan,
Oh.
okay. Natin ang...
Oh. Very nice. So we put the lechon here. There's a tray. Oh. Very nice.
Saan ko ilalagay yun?
Wow.
Alis mo si Mary. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you my new air fryer.
Aba, bongga.
From this fryer, I'll try to cook my favorite dishes. And the first one that I have in mind is the lechon.
Wow.
Without the oil. So
Wow.
I'll show you later how I will do it.
Ay, excited.
Pasok sa mga!
Okay.
Cost,
Estimate.
but more or less between $150 to $200.
Okay.
And I ordered it from Walmart.
Oh.
I'm not sure Walmart or Amazon.
Okay.
So let me see the box.
Okay.
I think it's from... No, it's not Amazon. It's Walmart.
smart. Oh, nice.
So
Yeah.
I'm going to bring this to another room
Okay.
because someone will assemble
Assemble.
it.
Okay.